South Korean intelligence says it has identified a North Korean missile engineer who participated in the launch of ballistic missiles into Ukraine. The statement said that the expert is likely the same person who accompanied North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un last year during an inspection of a munitions plant. Intelligence analyzed the photo believed to have been taken near Ukraine's Donetsk region on an undisclosed date. The site is believed to be a launch site for North Korean-made short-range ballistic missiles. South Korean intelligence says facial recognition technology concludes that it is more than 80% likely that one person in the picture is an engineer who accompanied Kim to a factory that manufactures mobile missile launchers in August last year. Previously, Militarny reported that North Korean military experts are helping Russians use KN-23 tactical missile systems. It was announced that South Korean intelligence reports that 12,000 North Korean troops, including special forces, have been dispatched to fight in the war against Ukraine. Also, we had the first video evidence of North Korean military training on Russian territory. It captures people in Russian military uniforms who look like North Korean citizens moving through the territory of a Russian military unit. The cameraman's sleeve chevron with the symbols of the Eastern Military District of the Russian Federation, which borders the DPRK, can be seen in the frame. Such chevrons are worn instead of the symbols of military units, particularly by the employees of the training centers and garrisons of military training grounds. We are still seeing footage from the massive Ukrainian attack on several Russian cities. In Oriol, explosions and sounds of helicopters looking for unidentified UAVs.
Это жесть. Капец.
Вот они.
Вот он, их видишь?
Пиздец. Это сколько было? О, еще один.
Это жесть вообще. Капец.
A Ukrainian Mi-24 intercepts a Russian Shahed drone.
Збили, диви! Падає, йобана в рот, а куди він падає? Диви, що, блядь, це
Comments from Russian servicemen about the quality of EW systems assembly. According to them, low-quality metal is used, and the systems themselves are allegedly produced in China and then rebadged under Russian brands. Decimation is promised when they come to power.
Вот это дерьмо уже откровенно достало. Мало того, что эти антенны ни хрена толком не работают, говнище выдают. Как это, ромашка называется?
Ромашка.
Так оно еще и, блин, даже из
Раскручивается
говна
вся, блядь.
оно все разваливается, раскручивается. Магниты говно. Болты сами по себе срезаются. Я не знаю, с чего их делают. Чё твари, блин, в стране уже металла не осталось. Падлы, делаете в Китае. Шильдики свои перевешиваете. Ублюдки, блин. Еще и выдают.
Мука, что, вы запрыгни наверх, вот это подтянем.
Короче, когда приду к власти, всех этих мразей, которые делают вот такое, которые делают эти сраные буханки сырые, которые уже с завода разваливаются, всех тварей расстреливать будут. Децимация ждет. Готовьтесь.
People in Russian-occupied Donetsk are finally getting water. However, it is coming out of their stoves instead of gas. Russia claims it occupied Donetsk to liberate it. In reality, it doesn't give a damn about the city and its people.
Water started flowing in Donetsk. The water is running fine, but not from the right spot. Now we're using a different burner, this one. So we turn on the lower one. And voila, water is coming out here too. That's all good. It's okay when it's 2 or 3, but when all the burners start leaking water. There goes the water, there it goes again. But this is just nonsense, if you ask me.
Russian ways. coffin therapy is a new trend. According to Russian media, people pay from 35,000 to 150,000 rubles, $365 to $1,565, to be placed into coffins for a short amount of time and then go to a party. Maybe that's why they don't really care about their huge war losses. Russian authorities have asked Kazakhstan and other friendly countries to help provide passenger transport within Russia, Russian Minister of Transport announced. Previously, only local airlines could provide this service. Before the start of the special military operation, Russian airlines had a fleet of 850 aircraft, and by the beginning of 2023, this number had dropped to 736, the Moscow Times writes, citing the consulting firm Oliver Wyman. By 2026, the aircraft fleet may be halved. Russian authorities plan to replace foreign aircraft at the expense of their own production. For example, at a direct line in December 2023, Putin promised to produce more than 1,000 Russian airliners by 2030. In early January 2024, Russian Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin promised 600 Russian airplanes by 2030. In reality, things turned out to be much worse. In 2023, Russia was going to produce 2 Sukhoi Superjets and 3 Tu-214 airliners, and in 2024, 20 aircraft of the first type, 7 of the second type, as well as 6 MC-21 airliners and 2 IL-114-300 turboprop airliner. In reality, just 2 Tu-214S and 1 IL-96-300 were built. After that, the production program was reduced. In 2025, instead of the planned 82 airplanes, only 20 are now expected to be produced. The plan for 2026 has been reduced from 120 airliners to 97. And the problem with the planes is just a reflection of the situation with the import substitution policy announced in Russia.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.